Today, we will explore the small but fascinating town of Rogatec, located in eastern Slovenia. The town is known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and traditional crafts. One of Rogatec's main attractions is its open-air museum. Here, visitors can see old traditional Slovenian buildings and houses that show how people lived many years ago. The museum includes traditional farmhouses, a blacksmith's forge, barns, and other historic structures. It offers a unique opportunity to step back in time and learn about the daily life of local people in the past. The museum also plays an important role in preserving Slovenian culture and traditions. Various events and workshops are organized throughout the year to showcase traditional customs and crafts. One of the most popular activities for visitors is traditional bread making. Guests can prepare dough, learn old baking techniques, and bake their own bread using methods that have been passed down through generations. Not far from the town centre stands Strmol Castle, one of Rogatec's most important historical landmarks. Built centuries ago, the castle is a valuable cultural monument and a symbol of the town's rich history. Its walls tell many stories about the people who once lived there and the events that shaped the region. Rogatec is also famous for its craft workshops, where tourists can watch skilled artisans at work and even try the crafts themselves. Visitors can take part in pottery making, weaving, glassworking, and blacksmithing. They can observe the process of glass melting, create clay objects, and watch metal being forged in a traditional forge. Thanks to its combination of history, architecture, and living traditions, Rogatec is an excellent destination for anyone interested in Slovenian culture. It offers visitors the chance to experience traditional skills, customs, and ways of life that have been preserved for generations. Rogatec is a place where the past comes to life, allowing every visitor to discover the history, culture, and traditions of the Slovenian people.